of you cannot manipulate or you cannot insert new block. Hope you understand. And with that page, like as usual, like day to day life, if I use that code book mean, I can do all those things. I can tear the page, I can insert the page. Whereas in blockchain technology, with respect to as codes, you cannot supposed to insert because of it depends with previous transaction, and that previous transaction has hash code for next transaction. So you cannot supposed to manipulate anything. And that last one is immutable. All right, build all the transaction onto that blockchain, and ledger can never be changed. So as we that left side I mentioned, make it as a cube, So it cannot supposed to be immutable. Like what? Even you cannot supposed to create a copy, or even you cannot supposed to manipulate. This is the things which we have. And let me see about that two important function which involved for blockchain technology. Like that is hash function. How it works means like it is, of course, it is study about that cryptography. It's one of the important topic, hash function. So that hash function converts the data of arbitrary length of fixed length. Say for example, if I have three letters, if I assign as function means I want to make uniform as length like 128 from only third letter. Say for example, I am using a data with three letters. No, that three letters I want to make a uniform length of hash function using hash function, right? So it is supports for digital transaction. I hope you understood, right? So any data I want to make it as a fixed length, and this process has called it as hashing of data, and that hashing of data which is not only is required, and that original message can be digest. Say for example I said only three letters which I make it as 128, but I can tell with original, I mean I can claim for that I can use n number of bits. Say for example, instead of three bits, three letters, no, I can use a paragraph. The paragraph contains 100 words. So that all 100 words can be converted into or can be digested into 128. Hope you understood. So as function will reduce or digest that original message from that digest one, which is called as compression function under ASIC. And usually call it as that larger data can be make it as